Hi, it's Aqua with WTI, and I am so happy to have this tool for one very important reason. Shaving my legs. So I have an older shower and there's nowhere to shave my legs. I am so happy I got this little stool. Has took the frustration of shaving my legs out of the equation. I think that it's just a perfect size, the right height for shaving legs. It's really awesome product for that. But this stool is not just for shaving legs. You can use this for so many different reasons. This could also be a stool. I also really like this for storage. My shower also does not have a lot of storage, so I can put the products that I don't use as much on the bottom or things that I want to use often on top. I love how it just fits in the corner and does not take up a lot of space either. I was so impressed of what a sturdy product this is as well. I like the look of it. It has kind of a wood look, but is actually made from a waterproof material, so it will last you a very long time. I love that it comes in many different colors as well. So don't hobble around in your shower anymore. Get this stool and you'll love it. And that's my point of view.